Oh, hey guys, welcome back to Edward's Workshop, where today we're going to be making a really cool bottle opener. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell every single time I make a new video. You'll be able to see it. We're going to be turning a really cool bottle opener today. This bottle is the hardware from ROCKLER.com, and this is a piece of maple wood that I had laying around the shop. I already did some of the work on it, but I'm going to take you through the steps on how you make a cool bottle opener. And I'm thinking about it. I might go ahead and give this thing a nice little bolt, lightning bolt burn. So before you get started, what you're going to want to do is, I hope you guys can see this. The lighting isn't too well in my garage right now, but you want to find the center of your piece that you're going to turn. So I got my I call this a step up kit, or a step up kit, a step up like reamer bit. And what I did was I went all the way to the top of the reamer. What you want to do is you want to go just big enough to fit it. Focus. What you want to do is you want to go just big enough to fit that first outer diameter of this bit. That way when you screw it into your wood blank, it has these threads bite onto nice hard wood. Now, I'm not going to do it right here because I already made the hole and I've already got my threads in my blank. But after you put your you chuck up your reamer bit, you go ahead and center your wood blank into a drill press vise if you have one, and then you go ahead and you make your hole. Sorry for the shakiness. And then you make your hole using your reamer bit. Now, back at the workbench, since you've already made your hole with your reamer bit on the drill press, you want to take your piece that you get in your ROCKLER kit, your ROCKLER bottle opener kit, and you want to put it in there as level as possible. Okay, so once you get it in the level, you want to get yourself the Allen wrench that fits the insert. You want to give nice firm pressure as you're putting it into your piece. And it's going to get harder as you go further into the workpiece. So this is probably where a drill press vise is going to come in handy. So now that my piece is in the drill press vise, what I'm going to do is start turning it some more until it goes in nice and flush to my wooden handle piece. Nice and flush, just like that. So what I didn't mention is, to give it some more stability, you could actually put wood glue inside of this hole before you put this on to give it some more strength. But since I made my hole so small, just to where it barely fit this, it's really tight in there, and I don't think we're going to have a problem with it. But you can put wood glue or some kind of double epoxy inside that hole. ROCKLER.com does offer a piece to go onto your lathe that it's called a bottle opener chuck, or mandrel you would call it. I will find it and I will put the link in the description below. So I decided to go ahead and burn some lightning bolts into this bottle opener handle. And to see that video, go look at my other video. I'm at this point now, after doing the lightning burning into the handle. I'm putting it back on the lathe because what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn down these two ends now and put some copper accents onto it, so that these will slide on like so. And I'm going to bring it over to the benchtop grinder with the wire wheel. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video of me turning the handle to this bottle opener. And all the tools and hardware I will put in a link below. So if you like this, please subscribe, share, and like. It would really help me out. This is Edward's Workshop, where we turn trees into decor.